Have you ever wondered about the benefits of mindfulness meditation? Welcome to this journey of discovery, where we unravel the power of mindfulness. Mindfulness is a kind of meditation that encourages us to be completely present in the moment, intensely aware of what we're sensing and feeling without interpretation or judgment. This practice has deep roots, traced back thousands of years to various cultural traditions and religions. Today, it's not just a spiritual tool but also a scientifically recognized method for enhancing our well-being. Imagine a vast, tranquil ocean with waves gently lapping at the shore. That's the state of a mind practicing mindfulness, fully engrossed in the now, not tangled in the past or anxious about the future. The beauty of mindfulness is that it invites us to experience life as it unfolds, raw and unfiltered. But what does this mean for you? So what are the actual benefits of mindfulness meditation? Stay tuned as we delve deeper. Mindfulness meditation has a plethora of health benefits. Let's delve into some of these remarkable advantages, shall we? Firstly, it's a powerful tool for reducing stress. In our hectic modern lives, stress can often feel like a constant companion. Mindfulness meditation, however, can help us break that cycle. By focusing on the here and now, we learn to let go of the worries and anxieties that fuel our stress. Scientific studies have shown that regular mindfulness practice can lower cortisol levels, the hormone our bodies produce in response to stress. Secondly, mindfulness meditation can be a great ally in controlling anxiety. Anxiety often arises when we're fretting about the future or dwelling on the past. But mindfulness anchors us in the present moment, helping to alleviate these feelings. Research from Johns Hopkins University found that mindfulness meditation can help ease psychological stresses like anxiety, depression, and pain. Thirdly, mindfulness meditation promotes emotional health. It encourages us to approach our feelings with an attitude of acceptance and non-judgment, which can lead to improved self-esteem and positivity. A study published in The Lancet found that mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, MBCT, can be as effective as antidepressants in preventing depression relapse. Moreover, mindfulness meditation can improve our physical health in surprising ways. It can help lower blood pressure, improve sleep, and even alleviate gastrointestinal difficulties. A study from Harvard Medical School indicates that mindfulness meditation can physically change the structure of the brain, improving areas associated with memory, learning, and emotion regulation. So, whether you're looking to manage stress, control anxiety, or boost your emotional health, mindfulness meditation has something to offer. And the beauty of it is, you can start reaping these benefits with just a few minutes of practice each day. Impressive, right? But that's not all. Mindfulness meditation also brings about psychological benefits. So stay tuned to learn more about the profound impacts of this simple yet potent practice. Beyond the physical, mindfulness meditation has profound psychological benefits. Now let's delve into these psychological benefits, of which there are many. For starters, mindfulness meditation can significantly enhance self-awareness. This isn't about self-consciousness or self-centeredness, but rather a deeper understanding and recognition of one's thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. By focusing on the present moment, we begin to observe our thoughts without judgment, allowing us to identify patterns and triggers that may have previously gone unnoticed. This heightened self-awareness can lead to better decision-making, improved emotional regulation, and a deeper sense of self. Next up, mindfulness meditation can lengthen attention span. In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, maintaining focus on a single task can feel like a Herculean effort. However, studies have shown that consistent mindfulness practices can bolster sustained attention and combat the effects of information overload. By training our mind to return its focus to the present moment, we're essentially building a mental muscle that enhances our ability to concentrate. Lastly, mindfulness meditation can be a potent tool for reducing negative feelings. This doesn't mean suppressing emotions or pretending everything is fine when it's not. Rather, it's about acknowledging these feelings, understanding them, and then letting them go. By adopting a non-judgmental stance, we can observe our emotions without becoming overwhelmed by them. Research has shown that this approach can decrease symptoms of anxiety and depression and promote overall mental well-being. Of course, these are just a few of the psychological benefits of mindfulness meditation. The science is still evolving, but the existing evidence paints a compelling picture of the power of this practice. From enhancing self-awareness to lengthening attention span and reducing negative feelings, the psychological benefits of mindfulness meditation are profound and far-reaching. But wait, there's more. Let's explore how mindfulness meditation can improve your relationships. Did you know mindfulness meditation can also positively impact your relationships? Yes, indeed, this simple practice can revolutionize how you connect with others. To begin with, mindfulness fosters compassion. By cultivating a non-judgmental awareness of our own thoughts and feelings, we naturally develop a deeper understanding and empathy for others' experiences. This empathy often translates into more compassionate actions, enriching our relationships. Secondly, mindfulness helps us reduce conflicts. When we're more mindful, we're less likely to react impulsively to provocations. Instead, we respond thoughtfully, considering the implications of our words and actions. This thoughtful response can diffuse tension and prevent unnecessary conflicts. Finally, mindfulness enhances communication. Being present allows us to really listen and understand what others are saying, rather than just waiting for our turn to speak. This active listening fosters better understanding, trust, and connection. In essence, mindfulness meditation can truly transform your life in many ways, and relationships are a key area where its benefits can be deeply felt. In a nutshell, mindfulness meditation is a powerful practice with countless benefits. It holds the key to unlocking a healthier, more balanced, and fulfilled life. The physical health benefits are impressive, with the potential to lower blood pressure, improve sleep, and increase longevity. On a psychological level, it can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, promoting a more positive mindset. Not to mention, it also enhances our relationships, fostering empathy, understanding, and deeper connections with the people in our lives. Remember, mindfulness meditation is an accessible practice that anyone can adopt, no matter your age or lifestyle. It doesn't require fancy equipment or a special location. All you need is a quiet space, a few minutes of your day, and an open mind. Why not give mindfulness meditation a try? You might be surprised at the positive changes it can bring to your life.